everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. It has been a really hot couple of days here and I don't feel like heating up the house by cooking tonight. So what we are going to do is we are going to grill chicken. And on top of that chicken, we are going to have a mixture rub dressing type deal called Omoigu. And what Omoigu is just a bunch of really fresh ingredients that we can put on top of our chicken. Does that sound good?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm excited to make it. What about you?
Yeah.
Absolutely. Wonderful.
Can I tell you the folks something?
Yes, what do you want to tell our folks?
If you can have this while your parents are cooking, you can run it.
No, you can drum with the spoons while your parents are cooking. As long as they have their parents' permission, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely.
Can I please do it?
Not right now, but thank you for asking.
What I like to have for my chicken is some ketchup, and I just like to have ketchup on my chicken.
You like to have ketchup on your chicken.
You can have these spoons right now.
And you can have the spoons right now. So
Oh,
let's get going.
on your head.
Yep, let's get going and we'll make the Omoigu. Does that sound
Only
good?
if you have
Yeah.
hot head.
Yes. Okay, so we're going to start. I took, 10 or so cloves of garlic and crushed it up, and we're going to put it into the food processor this way. If you ask my father, he will tell you that the only way to make Omoigu is with a mortar and pestle. I don't have one, so what we're going to do is we're going to use our food processor. So I've got the garlic in there that's been crushed already. I've got fresh parsley that I've cut up and we'll add in and kind of pack it down. I've got some fresh basil from my basil plant that we'll add in there, and maybe we'll add a couple more leaves of basil in there. How's it smell?
It smells good.
Yeah, smell.
It smells like
Oh.
perfume mixed with something that is kind of like pollen.
Interesting. So this is dried oregano. I don't actually have any fresh, so we'll add just a little bit of dried oregano. I don't have any rosemary in the house, so you can add dried or fresh rosemary to it. That's completely up to you. Then, as the actual liquid to it, we are going to add about 1/4 of a cup of olive oil right into there. And then 2 to 3 tablespoons worth of balsamic vinegar. It's going to be about the whole jar that I have left, or the whole bottle. There. And then the last touch, if you've got white vinegar, you can use a little bit of white vinegar, or I've got lemon, and it's fresh lemon, so we're going to squeeze some fresh lemon right in there.
And Mom,
make
you
sure
need to leave some for me, for my bottle.
Yes, absolutely. I'll leave some for your water. Okay, it's all in there. So we're going to add the lid back on.
Okay.
Helen, can you push the buttons?
This one or this one?
Oh, either one. We're going to let that go. Go a little bit longer. Perfect. And just like that, it's done. So we have our fresh made Omoigu sauce for our chicken tonight. How's that smell?
It smells good.
Can I smell
It has a tiny bit of pollen in it, so
Pollen?
kind of.
Kind of. Let's see how it tastes. Nice and fresh and garlicky. How can you go wrong? You're going to eat the lemon. Okay. Like I said, we're going to add it to chicken. Kids are going to have pasta. They can mix it onto the pasta, which is also really good. Pork chops. Highly recommend on pork chops, too.
Get some lemon on the dog while your parents talking.
And you can have some lemon, too, while your parents are cooking. Clearly, both of my children love lemon, too.
No!
Yeah, it's nice and sour today. If you guys have any questions for us on how to make Omoigu or the pasta from last week or any of the other recipes we've shared, please shoot us a message on Facebook and we'll be happy to answer them. We will be back next week. I'm pretty sure we're going to be making fresh bread, but we'll see kind of what the temperature does too and see how long I'm willing to leave my oven on. If you have any requests of anything else you'd like to see, it seems like pasta and Italian foods are a big hit, so if you want to see anything specific, let me know too. Otherwise, have a great week and happy eating. Can you say bye, guys?
Bye!